Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to send a big file through WhatsApp even when the file size exceeds the normal limit. WhatsApp has a file size limit of 2 GB for documents as of the latest updates. But large videos and other media files may still need a few tricks to get through. Let's go step by step to make sure your big file can be shared without any issues. First, open the file you want to send on your phone or computer. If the file is a video, audio, or document and it's under 2 GB, you can send it directly through WhatsApp as a document. Here's how. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send the file. Tap the paperclip icon in Android or the plus icon in iPhone, then choose Document. Browse your storage and select the big file. WhatsApp will upload and send it, just like a regular message. But what if your file is bigger than 2 GB or not supported directly? Of course, the file cannot be sent. This is where Google Drive or other cloud services like Dropbox come in handy. Here's how you can use them. 1. Upload your large file to Google Drive. You can do this from your phone or PC. On mobile, open the Google Drive app, tap the plus button, choose Upload, and select the large file you want to share. Wait for the upload to complete. 2. Once uploaded, tap the 3 dots next to the file name in Google Drive, then tap Share or Copy Link. Make sure the sharing settings are set to anyone with the link can view. 3. Now go back to WhatsApp, paste the link into the chat and send it. The person receiving it can simply tap the link to download or view the file from Google Drive. This method allows you to send files of any size, bypassing WhatsApp's built-in file size limitations. And that's it. You now know how to send large files on WhatsApp. Whether it's through the direct document feature for files under 2 GB, or using Google Drive to share bigger ones. Remember, this method works across Android, iPhone, and even WhatsApp web on desktop. With these steps, you'll never be stuck when needing to send an important large file again. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.